If you're a Nigerian, I want you to listen to what this Ghanaian said. Watch this.
Nigeria, you can never have this kind of happiness. See.
Yes, you are very right. How would we have this kind of happiness when we are bittered? How? Like when our country is shambled into what we can explain. How would the happiness come? Like from where? When people are dying, families are mourning their loved ones. How are we going to be happy? Nigeria is bleeding. A lot is happening. And I can testify because I just returned back from Nigeria and I saw the way the country is. I'm telling you, I had to run back to Ghana because I couldn't take it anymore. Is it data consumption we are talking about? Is it high rate of crimes? Is it Boko Haram? Is it Fulani herdsmen? Is it kidnappers? Is it high cost of living? Food is expensive and farmers cannot even go to their farm. Nigeria is bleeding. Where would the happiness come from? Where? Like how? And instead of you to calm down when you go to other people's country, but no, you will not calm down. That is the reason why they are sending us away every day. There's no country that is accepting Nigerians. No country. Even with the insecurity, yet some Nigerians are coming out bashing some other countries. Like, I do not understand where all these things is coming from. Like, why? Are we cursed or something? People are pitying you, but you don't want to pity yourself. You don't want to pity yourself. A time will come that you will be looking for where to put your head, but you will not see because everybody will reject you. As it is right now, I'm just pitying Ghana because Ghana will be the place Nigerians will come and fool. I just hope they will come with good habit because the way at which they are coming and they are trying to bring the negativity from Nigeria is what we don't want to accept in Ghana. Guys, let's hear what Chidim have to say about this. And please, at the end of this video, kindly drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
Now, this is the crux of the matter. This Ghanaian got Nigerians red-handed. This is something that we lack. Something that we lack. Happiness. He said, Nigerians, you people cannot have this happy. Nigerians are not happy. In fact, let me shock you people. The secret behind our making noise, the secret behind our always seeking for fun, pleasure, all these things, partying, fun, owambes, is because we need to distract ourselves from our foundational, inherent, and intrinsic sadness. Nigerians are not happy. Nigerians, they are not happy. And in the words of Beyonce, the greatest thing you can have in this life is happiness. And how is happiness achieved? Selfless service to humanity. You can never find a Nigerian. You can never find a Nigerian that is in that move. Let me not brag. Except I and my family. I don't think there are other people. Except my father. I don't think I could practically. I don't think there is any other person I can point in Nigeria saying that this man is gearing towards selfless service. I don't think so. There is always an ulterior motive, even when you think he is there to serve the society selflessly. Well, I could point out Dora Akunyili to an aspect. But other than that, what I'm trying to say is that if Nigeria is on 100% rate, the people or the persons with the selfless mentality and are genuinely happy are almost 1.5%. That is the disheartening and woeful thing. Nigerians are not happy. That is why we seek pleasure. Our pleasure is a distraction method, is a distraction tactics. Distracting us from that thing that haunts us, from our restlessness, from our unrest. There is no peace, there is no rest for the wicked. Ghanaians, you got us in this. This Ghanaian guy, you will never. This is why any Nigerian that comes to any nation, he seeks for a way to start exhibiting criminality. It's owed to the fact that Nigerians are not happy. We are not happy. Nigerians are not happy because without saying, we are not happy. I'm telling you the truth. It's a disheartening thing. And then you find out that when you find a happy Nigerian, he's always running away from his fellow Nigerians. So he doesn't want to get attached, or doesn't want to subscribe or be linked or be identified with any Nigerian, because he doesn't want anything that will cut down his happiness. He doesn't. I'm telling you the truth. I, as a Nigerian, don't want anything that would associate me or identify me as a Nigerian other than the fact that it is my nation, it is my nationality, and it is my birthplace. Other than these two, I don't want anything that would identify me as a Nigerian by my activity whatsoever. I'm telling you the truth. Nigerians are not happy. When we say this thing, you think a lot of people would say, oh, Nigerians are happy people. You come around, they're shared. Do you know why we make jokes out of everything? It's a distraction tactics. It is a distraction technique. Because within us, we are in sorrow. We are in sorrow. We are in sorrow. I'm telling you the truth. Any Nigerian that claims to be happy should come to this comment section. It's not by what you say, it's by your facial appearance and body language. We know these things. Nigerians happy, very, very far from it. That's why this Ghanaian you see, when there is happiness, there is peace. When there is happiness, there is safety. When there is happiness, there is joy. When there is happiness, there is uprightness. Do you understand? You see, in the Bible would say, in the presence of the Lord, there is what? There is fullness of joy, unspeakable joy. If you come to our churches and watch us pray, you see that we don't have happiness. We pray, give me this, give me that, give me. A joyous person has nothing to ask for. The Lord is my shepherd. I shall not want. Why? Because I'm filled, babe. I'm filled. I am happy. Nigerians, churches are always for desires, and this one for destroying. Nigerians are not happy. They're sorrowful. Now there is no rest or happiness for the wicked, for the evil, even with their money. Now what I'm actually looking at is the finance minister of Ghana, Dr. Cassiel Etofosun. He has engaged traders in Takoradi's market circle in a bid to see whether what they're actually doing in the parliament is reflecting on the people. In a bid to see whether the administration of His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is actually reflecting on the people in a positive dimension. Now this is, see here, this is exactly the true nature of how government should be. Believe me, I've seen this image, I've seen this video with South African government, and I've seen a great number of it with Ghanaian government. You see the people, you see the authority engaging in conversation, one-on-one conversation with the masses. These things only happen in Nigeria when election time comes. These things happen in Nigeria when election time comes, and it's a woeful thing. It tells you how much Nigerians on and on and on and on are being deceived. During election period, these so-called leaders come around and try to engage with Nigerians, and then you still see the way Nigerians, accommodate them, accept them, and feel worthless towards them. Oh, they feel, oh, I'm privileged that I could actually share the screen with this man and all this. It tells you that the poverty. It tells you that the poverty of Nigerians is not physical but mental, and when your poverty is mental, it is a critical thing. It's a critical thing, because I know that if you try such a thing with Ghanaians or the Swana people, if you try such a thing during election, the way they will shun you, the way they will snub you, you will know that there is fire on the mountain. But Nigeria is the only country where you can toss them and toy with them and subjugate them however they want. And these same people go to other countries to claim they are strong, they are intelligent, they are successful, whereas they come to their own country and their leaders and managers of the administration will be taking them for a ride, repeating the same methodology of malevolent criminology. You understand? On them, and they keep on accepting it. Sinister endeavors on them, and they keep on accepting it.
There is a video I want you to see. After seeing that video, you know that Nigeria, we are finished. There is nothing left. Do you know yesterday, I'll bring you the full story. Yesterday, the bandits went to a school, a girls' school. On a life, the principal of that school, take the life of the principal, kidnap the female students, kidnap most of the female students. Those are somebody's daughters. Those are somebody's future. Those are people who will be like, say, they supposed to give birth to the next generation. Bandits don't kidnap them. Can I shock you? By now, they rape them. By now, they sleep with them. Why we have useless Nigerians sit down for one place because a Tinubu give you 5,000. You remember I posted the video of one frustrated bastard the last time. That boy, now I talk this one again. Please help me share this video. Tag him if you know him, because I cover his face. I don't want me to see the rubbish.
Nigeria qualify for World Cup. may I give the credit to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. All of now they support Nigeria now. Now they use and they play bet. Now they win money up and down. Then I give the credit to President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He don't tell when Nigeria play good football like this. Now because the president they do them well. He's doing them well. And that is why they are playing. Because if they don't do well, China will come blame government. Say na Tinubu no try now. President no they give them everything they want. Don't be waiting now go talk. Now they are doing very well. If you are hailing them, be hailing your president too. He's trying. You know when last you don't go World Cup? You know when last? When they never born you. Now Nigeria go World Cup last. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu now go break the record. Under this regime, by the special grace of God, Nigeria is going to World Cup. Whether I like them or not. See, let me tell you something. All the prophets of God, check Bible, check Quran, they fight them for this world. Even they crucify Jesus Christ. So Tinubu will not be new thing. At any critical time, God the same messenger come, make it come helping people. Now why God send President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come Nigeria, make it come help us at this time. So if I know they support and I want they give him bad name, it's up to you. God don't send and come and he will deliver a message and he's doing well. In terms of sport, he don't succeed. We are going to World Cup. You understand? In terms of education, it don't succeed. No more ASUG strike. In terms of road network, everywhere, road for Nigeria, coastal road, everywhere. In terms of electricity, there is light in Nigeria. In terms of insecurity, the insecurity is coming to an end in Nigeria. It's going to be a thing of the past. No more insecurity in Nigeria. In terms of agriculture, food everywhere. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is succeeding. Ajekuta Steel Company, everything. No more fuel scarcity, nothing. What do you want to talk again?
They use choppers. They procure arms exactly the same way as our military were doing in the South. They give them arms. They use choppers to come and cut away the gold. And they take them out of this country and make billions of US dollars. And the federal government is not doing what it should be doing. I took this letter to the former president when I was national chairman of APC. And I said, call the general to give you more brief. In fact, what is happening, or what subsequently happened in that part of the country, was exactly what the general told me was going to happen. Because these guys have been weaponized by the illegal big men who deploy them, secure territories, and the weapon is meant to protect the Chinese and other foreigners who they actually employ to carry out the mining. And on occasion, they use the same weapon to carry out banditry, kidnapping, and all of the terrible things that are going on. Chief of Committee Chairman of Defense Staff, tell the defense I said so. But yeah, that some retired military officers, army officers are involved in it. The day we can't tell the truth, this country cannot flourish. We can't change our, when it affects our people, we are at our best. We talk strong. Some other people appear to be above the law. That is what is going on with solid mineral. It is not that we don't know where it is. We have a whole survey of where we have what across the length and breadth of Nigeria. We also know, everybody complaining about certain people from certain nationalities. How they got here, even as we are talking now, they are doing those illegal mining. And those guys are getting richer when Nigeria states are getting poorer. But we carry the consequences of banditry, kidnapping, and that which this on illegal armed men, which they equip. So who can afford to buy a chopper to land in an illegal mining site, cut away gold, return to sanity, and then on the way to airport, bam, take them out of the country? This is happening. So I agree with you, but my position is that we shouldn't, as senators, be lamenting. As senator, we should fix the problem. We should tell the executive, you must deploy exactly the same force that you deploy against illegal oil bunkering. That same force should be deployed to deal with criminals who are money. When I say criminal, it can be a retired general, it can be a retired permanent secretary, it can be a retired trade unionist or a retired labor leader. Whoever is involved, they should be there to let Nigeria see that we are not condoning this. We are not submitting what is going on.
My response to you, Oga Kotakota, we talk say, may we dey support Tinubu. My response to you is this video, sir. Abi you hear waiting they happen. This is Oshomole, the former governor of Lagos State. He came out and this is what he said about our Oga at the top. So we hearing this from a politician. What do you expect from us? How do you want us to think? So you still want us to support our president, despite the fact that you and I already know the truth. If our president do not know what is happening, see, he would have done something about these Boko Haram kidnappers and the rest. But because he knows,
He knows the people behind all of this. All of them, their hands are inside. That's why they are just backing each other up. If not, this would have stopped a long time ago. So don't come here and be telling me and the rest of us Nigerians that we should support Tinubu. Are you okay? Are you okay? So because all of this have not gotten to your doorstep, you think you can come out and be splitting some kind of things, right? Thank God it's not escalating and getting to every part of Nigeria. Before it was happening in the north, now it's getting to you guys. And I thank God everybody must experience this in Nigeria. I believe that's when your eye go open.